Let's begin by understanding what business intelligence tools really are. These are software solutions that help organizations transform raw data into actionable insights. They're designed to collect, clean, analyze, and visualize data, giving professionals a clearer view of what's happening inside their businesses. Instead of combing through endless spreadsheets, tools help users discover patterns, spot trends, and make better decisions faster and more confidently. Think of it like this. You're in charge of sales at a growing retail chain. You've got thousands of data points on products, store locations, customers, and monthly revenue. Without a buy tool, figuring out which products perform best during seasonal sales would be slow and manual. But with a buy dashboard, these insights are available instantly and visually. In today's fast-paced business world, speed and clarity are critical. Buy tools have become essential, helping professionals stay ahead by simplifying complex data and turning it into smart decisions.